In this video, we're going to learn how to use NCBI Protein Blast in this 2026 updated guide. I'll walk you step by step through the process of performing a protein function search, interpreting the results, and understanding how to identify potential functions of an unknown protein sequence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently run a protein blast search and analyze the output for functional annotation. Let's get started. If you've watched our earlier YouTube video, you'll notice that the procedure is very similar to performing a nucleotide blast on this platform. You may paste the link into any browser of your choice, or simply type NCBI Blast into Google search to access the platform. Select the Protein Blast feature. Copy the protein sequence that we have downloaded earlier and paste it into the Search tab on the platform. Give a job title for this task. Select the appropriate database. In this assignment, we will choose the clustered NR database. Select the preferred algorithm. Now, hit the Blast button. Wait approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute for the process to complete. The job title, selected program, molecule type, and length of the protein will be displayed here. The results will be displayed across 4 different tabs: clusters, graphical summary, alignment, and taxonomy. In the graphical summary tab, specific hits and superfamily architecture will be highlighted. This is a unique feature of the Protein Blast tool. In the Alignments tab, you can download and save all the cluster FASTA files for further analysis. You can also download the complete genome file or the aligned protein sequences directly from this tab. Check the E-value, percentage identities, and gaps for further verification of your results. Select the Multiple Alignment tab under the Other Reports section. Proteins with high sequence similarity from different sources are displayed here. The multiple alignment results are displayed here and can be downloaded for further analysis. Credits and citation information for the platform are provided for your reference. For more advanced applications and step-by-step guidance, don't forget to explore the suggested YouTube videos. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.